Hello, you absolute legends. Welcome back to the channel. John here. We're at Hotel Greenland in Turkey, and in this video, this is a quick room tour of a twin/double room. It's a standard room here at the hotel. As soon as you enter, put your key in and it gives you electric, and you enter into the bathroom. It's a relatively small bathroom, but serviceable and functional. You get your linen daily, you've got a mirror, and you've got a hairdryer on the wall. You get all your bits and pieces, soap, conditioner, and a sink, and a separate shower cubicle there. Toilet roll is changed daily. There's a telephone there for some reason if you need some help. Flush on the wall, and of course a toilet. Bathroom is decorated quite nicely. It's all tiled with an extractor fan and a window. One thing I would say, I'm 6 foot odd, and the shower I had to duck to get under. There's a mirror, and here we are into the main area. It was our special occasion, which is why it's been decorated out nicely for us. This is actually 2 twin beds pushed together. I think this room can be quite versatile. Can technically sleep up to 3 people, with the bed near the window becoming another bed, but we'll have a look at that in just a moment. We also got, on our arrival, some wine and some fruit. Here is your main storage area / wardrobe. It wasn't big enough really for what we wanted to do, but we made it work. And at the top you get your quilts and your duvets there as well. Television in the room, not much really to watch, but you don't come on holiday to watch TV, do you? In here is a fridge. That used to go off when you pulled your electric key out, so you couldn't keep stuff cool in there 24/7. Bit of a design flaw, but if you wanted to put some water in there to keep it cool for the day, you certainly could. Box of tissues, lots of sundries supplied by the hotel, which is good. And you got this folder which gave you all the information about the hotel. It's in Turkish and in English, and it's organised by alphabetical order, which was really helpful. That sat and had a good read of that when we arrived, and I suggest you do that as well. Taking a look at the beds, we got our towels laid out on the bed. There's a runner on there, nice white linen. There was a little bit of damage to the wallpaper, but hey, it doesn't matter, does it? It's not affected the functionality of the room. There's a window here, which at the moment you can see it's quite dark when I'm filming this. It has a mesh screen on there to protect yourself from bugs if you have got the window open, and that bit there does transform into another bed. I would suggest it's mainly for children. I certainly wouldn't sleep a teenager on it. And the balcony, well, it's quite small. You couldn't really swing a cat in there. We certainly couldn't sit 2 abreast, but it's not an issue. We could certainly walk out in the mornings, look at the view, which you can't see at the moment. You can't see anything at all, but have a look at the view and enjoy a cup of tea before heading on down to breakfast. That's the balcony. There we are in the room then. That's the main of the features, just for someone who is coming. If you haven't already seen videos of the rooms, this is the standard room, twin or double.